Okay guys, we're gonna do a HaloLights installation video for you today. Get this house lit up. You can light up your house so you're not in the dark crying alone on Christmas. We have this house right here. We're gonna show you how to measure it, how to plan your wiring, how to install it, how to mount the controller, how to connect up your system, the whole thing from start to finish. So come on this journey with me. Now, you're just gonna measure it out. You can use a tape measure, a string, your kid's height, whatever works for you. Now, I've done thousands of these, so I'm gonna be able to eyeball it, and you can use certain things on the home, like what's used to build the house, like fascia board lengths are typically 16 feet. You have a lot of the soffit board lengths with seams in them. Those are typically 8 to 12 feet. So you can use those different things to measure it out if you're not able to get way up high and measure that. Always add 10-15% on the ends of your measurements, so that way you're not mad when you're 2 feet short at the end of the day. All right, so what you want to do now is decide the lighting style and lighting look that you're going for. Are we going for a straight out look that you would see on a lot of commercial buildings that's pointing directly towards the street? Are you going to go more underneath, like an under the cabinet style, where your lights are kind of hidden behind the fascia board, you're just getting that glow down the side of the house? Or are you gonna do the by far most common, most popular option, which is flush with the bottom of your fascia board? That way you're able to see the twinkle of the light as well as the light wash and glow down the side of the house. If you have an aluminum soffit on your house, hiding it up behind isn't really possible, okay? You're pretty much going to hang down below just because of the way the aluminum soffits are. Okay, which is fine even if you don't have as much of a lip here on this fascia board for your home. It is more than okay for your lights and track to sit down, this far or so, as long as you have something to grab, and then you also have the custom color match, so that way you're able to make it look good no matter what.